Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name's Lainey. Welcome back to Vlogmas My Way. Today we're going to be doing my best purchases of 2021. These don't really include like clothing and wardrobe pieces, which is different from my channel, but that's just because I did a most worn items of 2021 video already that you guys can check out, and a lot of those items would have overlapped into this one. I tried to keep it a little bit more like miscellaneous items and items that would have made it anyways. Okay, let's start with the first one because it's the only like clothing thing you're gonna get, and that's my Telfar. This is the black mini Telfar, and I was gonna include this in my most worn items, but I got it in, I want to say September, I think I got it, and then it took a while to ship. So I just felt like I didn't have it long enough to say it was a most worn item, but since getting it, I've used it every single day. I love that it's over the shoulder, or you can just hold it by the top. That's so cute to me. Obviously, Telfars are a little harder to get your hands on. They're like $150, I think this mini one is, if you get it right off the Telfar website, and then they'll resell on StockX for like $300, $400. So the day they redropped the black mini, I tried to get it. I got kicked off the website, didn't work. But then right after, I went on StockX where people resell them, and a lot of people buy the Telfar to sell it and make a profit. So when you go on StockX the day something is dropped, the prices of the item goes down because they had such an influx. It's not a rarity anymore. So instead of $150, I got it for $175. Yeah, it sucks that I didn't get to buy it straight from Telfar or buy it for the original price, but I tried and it didn't work. But I'm so happy that I got my hands on it. Let's go into now a more random one. My disco ball. So I have a mini disco ball up there that I got in like 2017, 2018, I think. And I absolutely love it. I've always wanted another one and a bigger one. That one is 9 inches, I think, and this one might be 15. It's so freaking pretty. And this one's just from Party City. That one I actually thrifted before everybody and their mother wanted a disco ball. I finally got the bigger one. This one's from Party City. I think it was $15 or something, which I thought was really inexpensive. And now that I have both of them, I can put them in 2 different parts of my room when the sun is hitting, and then all the little reflex go all around my room, and I love my disco balls. They make me so happy, and it's winter now in Michigan, so it's gray every day, and I miss the sun. I'm really happy I finally got myself a second and bigger disco ball. Okay, next item. How cool is this? I kind of already showed this before, and how amazing it is. It's actually from Chatbooks. This is from Chatbooks too. You Deserve More Easy. And there's no better way to describe these books than just easy. Holiday shopping can be so hard, and Chatbooks is easy. I featured this the first time in my holiday gift guide, and I talked about how this is such a good present for anybody, and it's literally so easy to put together. I just took all of my film photos and put it in this book, and now anytime someone comes over, they come and look at these. I want to get these for just basically anybody. You don't have to do film photos. Take your photos straight off of Instagram, right off your computer, desktop. Literally so many different ways to do it. You could like write little captions under it, but this is like the best coffee table book and just like photo album. It's so like nice, well put together. If you're not good at scrapbooking, this just makes it easy. I lost my phone. That's not easy. And before we get any further into me talking about this video is sponsored by Chatbooks, so thank you so much to Chatbooks for sponsoring this video. Chatbooks is the most modern way to hold your best memories and moments. It's a fast and affordable way to get photos off your phone into your hands. Easily add, edit, and arrange your photos to make the perfect photo book. Personalize your photo with custom colors, layouts, cover styles, collages, captions, and more. And these Chatbooks are starting at $15 for a 30-page book. Plus free shipping. Chatbooks are super affordable and easy. Their easy-to-use book app has over 100,000 5-star ratings. Books are created through the app, which is so easy to navigate. And you can connect your Instagram or Facebook account so the photos will come right onto chapbooks and be able to put on your book. So if you guys want to check these out, click the link in the description box to get 20% off your first chapbooks order. And that's site-wide with my code HOLIDAY20. I know this video is sponsored, but I literally already talked about this book and I can't recommend them enough. I'm very much obsessed. I'm gonna keep this sweatshirt on because it's cozy, but I wanted to put it on midway because dramatic effect. And going right along with that, my other best purchase of 2021 is my film camera. So this is the Minolta Freedom Zoom 160, and I've had 3 film cameras now. The first one was a Jaguar point and shoot. The second one was a Minolta, but the shutter button was a little bit broken, so it was annoying to use. And then this one is perfect. It's a point and shoot again. The pictures come out so freaking good and crystal clear. I'll put some examples here. I love taking this out at night with me and my friends, or just out and about anywhere. Not only do the photos come out like super cute and like vintage and nostalgic, quite honestly, I've realized holding this camera in my hand makes me take more photos. I am not someone who takes photos on my phone. I never take videos of my friends, and I always get so upset that I never take photos or videos. But when I have this, I take so many photos and videos. And again, with that, my other best purchase of 2021 is my Sony Handycam. Got it off Best Buy. It was a refurbished one, so I think it was like $100, which isn't the cheapest, but it's also not the most expensive. You can get super inexpensive ones if you really don't care about the quality on like Amazon for $30. I can link some below. The same idea with like the film camera, having it, I film more. When I'm holding this, or when I have it, I take more photos. When I have this, I just film a lot more, and it's because I'm not embarrassed like when I'm walking around with my vlog camera, like the Sony, the like Canon G7X looking type vlog camera, like you can tell I'm like doing it for like YouTube, whatever. But when I do this, it feels like family video, and I just don't really think about what anybody else is thinking because I'm like, I love this thing so much. It's got that like vintage look and nostalgic feel, so I really love that, and I love capturing moments, and those make me do it. My next, where did I put it? My next best purchase of 2021 is my yarn and knitting needles. The reason I brought this one out is because this is the last thing I just knitted. This little fingerless glove with like mohair. Isn't that cute? I just got into knitting this year, and I'm absolutely loving it. I love that when I'm like watching YouTube or watching TV, I like knit. I knit. I always have to do something with my hands, and I used to have this toxic trait, I would call it, of playing Blockadoku on my phone, and I was literally ranked like #1 worldwide because I had to play it so much. It was like my fidget. Instead of like a fidget spinner or a poppet, I'd play Blockadoku. If you guys know what I'm talking about, it's so embarrassing. But now I knit, so I like that I'm doing something productive with my hands instead of mindless Blockadoku. Honestly, knitting's pretty mindless too, and that's why I like it. Yeah, I'm really happy I picked that up. If you guys have never knitted before, honestly, I started like a month ago, and I feel like, I don't know, like anybody can do it. And I don't mean that in a way that it's like not hard. I think that anybody can learn it if they want to. It takes a lot of time to learn, and it takes a lot of time to knit things. This stupid little thing took me a whole week to knit. Okay, and then my last 2 things are actually both from Babe Lash. So the first one is the Babe Lash Essential Serum. So this one, it goes like over your lash line and makes your lashes grow a lot longer. I used this like 3 or 4 years ago. My lashes were so long, and then I think I just got like comfortable and stopped using it, and then my lashes obviously went back to normal, and I like saw old pictures of myself. I was like, oh my god, I need those lashes again. So I went back and I bought this, and I've been using it, and now these are just my real lashes. I literally never have to use falsies because my lashes are so long. So that thing is absolutely amazing. And then this one I'm wearing right now, it's the Babe Lash Lip Plumping Jelly in the color Mauve. Let me put it on for you. It's just the absolute prettiest color. Ew, I got some in my mouth. How'd I do that? It's the prettiest color to me, and I love that I don't need like a liner, a lipstick, and then a lip gloss. It's kind of like all in one because it's a tinted lip gloss, and then also having the plumping effect is just my absolute favorite. I have the Too Faced what is that called? Extreme, the lip plumper from Too Faced, and nothing compares to this one with just that little bit of color in it. If you want either of the Babe Lash things, you can use my code LANEY20 for 20% off. That's available all the time, so there's that. But yeah, those are my best purchases of 2021. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to check out Chatbooks, use the link in the description box, or go to Chatbooks and use the code HOLIDAY20 for 20% off your first order. And that's about it. I love you guys the absolute most. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.